Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Kanban board here in Jira. So first, you want to log in into your Jira account in your preferred web browser. Once you're here in the home page, you want to navigate over here to the left sidebar where you'll be able to see your spaces and your projects. So first, you're going to select a space for a project where you want to add a Kanban board. So we want to hover over that space where you will see a plus icon. So click on that. Then you'll be able to see either Scrum or Kanban. So since we want to create a Kanban board, we're going to click on Kanban. Then we're going to enter a name for this specific Kanban board. Then you're going to choose what you want to include in this board. You can choose from theme, work type, label, or you can also use advanced features. Then you're going to click on create. And after that, you'll be able to add your Kanban board within that space or that project that you have chosen, and you can go ahead and create your task from here. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.